Yeah, the goal today is to get this red oak, not all of it, just the trunk here probably, but the red oak down to there and then back to the mill. Maybe even mill it up today. Don't know. Gotta sharpen it, cut into it, see if it's even worth milling, which I'm assuming it will be. So at least get something out of it. Get a lot of firewood too. Get under it as much as I can. Get this on the ground, let that do whatever. And then probably mark it out and buck it up and get it off this hill. Sick. I think it'll look pretty good. So, little 271 did pretty decent. All right, I'll get it measured out and bucked up and try to get it dragged on out of here. Be able to get some stuff out of it. Alright, we'll get milling into this bad boy. Was able to get it bucked up and moved up here to the mill. So far so good. Let's see what we got in here. I think something was living in my sawmill. Oh yeah, definitely. Nice, it looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna just take some 2-inch slabs off the top if I can, and then try to get some 1x somewhere. Stuff looks pretty cool though. Don't look half bad though for a rotten tree. I mean, look at the outside of this crap. I don't know if y'all can see that. I got my glasses on. I mean, look at that. It's ridiculous. But it's nice. That little water stain right there, that's gonna be nice. A little punky right here. I'm gonna take another 2 inches off. another slab, and then rotate it. I'm hitting some solid hardwoods now. I can feel them that last cut through. Oh yeah, that one's a little heavier. This one is a pretty sick slab right here, y'all. That's legit. Oh yeah, baby. I don't know, when in doubt, slab it out. Maybe I'll do another one. We'll call it 20. 19, 20. Yeah, this is the outcome of them. Yeah, looks really good. I ended up peeling the bark off the sides of them. Try to bring them back to life a little bit. But yeah, for, you know, looking like that, all punky and crappy, and basically I milled it up to that. And yeah, this is what I shaved off with this draw knife here. I just peeled all this bark off of it and turned it into that. Nice and solid though. They're gonna look good for someone.